How's everyone doing? Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm the crazy cat lady here, coming right back at you. How's everyone doing today? Or tonight? It's because it's at night right now. So I have an unboxing for you. I'm sorry, maybe I should turn this light off. Okay, maybe that will be a little better. I guess it's okay. I don't know if it's gonna be too dark or not, but I had a really big glare, so it's not too bad now. So, guess what? I have an unboxing for you. I have my beauty box for July. So I have my beauty box for July. I think it's a little too dim. I think I might need that upper one. Sorry about that. Yeah, I still need it. If it's a little too much of a glare back here, don't mind it. I need you guys to look to see all this great stuff. Sorry about that. All right, so I have the beauty box for July. This is amazing. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. I can get this. Okay. So I have the brochure, and this tells you the name. Let me get this down a little bit. Okay. The name of this box for this month is You're Worth It. Look at how cute that is. And it has all the products and everything about them in here. And it also has the code $20 off of 50 bucks that I'll use on products. So, first things first, I got this great package of goodies. Now, three of them are full-size products. So this is a Youth Accelerator refill. This is a full-size product. This will go in the glass bottles as a refill. Lip plumper. This won't come out until September. So this will plump the lips, which I will tell you about that once I get to the card down here. And then I got Making Shade, which is a trial size sunscreen, which is cool. This is the lip plumper. See if we can get it good. Very interested in seeing what color it is. Ooh! Smells cinnamon. Ooh. I didn't see. I did a live on my Facebook channel and Facebook, and I didn't even open that up. That smells good. And a lip scrub that smells like a cotton candy. So yummy. Love that. So that's a full size right there too. If I could, full size. And they give you directions on the lip plumper. Okay, this is before, and then it's supposed to be after. Okay. So this is what the directions say. Once applied, you will feel a tingly sensation that soon calms and cools with a menthol cooling agent. This lip plumper is infused with hyaluronic acid. It's a hyaluronic acid. Now it's getting blurry. So, why is it blurry? Focus. Okay, that's better. A cell boosting molecule and GABA for quick volume infusion. But wait, it gets even better. Worth It is the only lip plumper that also contains advanced BTX, an ingredient that has clinically proven to increase the lip skin volume up to 25% in under 2 weeks in some cases. Apply directly on dry skin, dry lip, clean skin, dry lips, morning and night, throughout the day as your plumping lip treatment. Exfoliate lips first with the lip scrub. So that's why we got the lip scrub. So we have to use this first and then put this on. So pretty cool. So we got that, and this is already worth what the box is worth, pretty much. This and maybe this together. So definitely cool. All right. And then let's see what's in this pouch. Ooh, I love this. It's like a satiny pouch. They really did it up for July. I'm telling you, these are so cute. Ooh, what is this? It looks like a glass bottle. We'll have to see. Let's see. Ooh, how cute. This is Success, the name of the perfume. It's a little hard to see. And let's, ooh, smells so good. It has a roller ball. Let me see if I can get that to organize. It's a roller ball right here. There we go. So that's a roller ball. All right, so we got that, really cool. All right, now let's see what else we got here. This is like Christmas. Open up all these goodies. All right, what is this? Oh, another pouch. It feels like a full-size product. Ooh, Youth Accelerator. Ooh. I've been meaning to want to try this. So not only that I have a full-size product in the glass bottle, I have the full-size product as a refill. So like I said on my live on Facebook, you already have Christmas gifts going on here. You can give them one of these with a refill, so they always have it. And this is this and the refill's like over $100, just that. So you got Christmas gifts to give out. That's what I love about these beauty boxes. And it's $60 to get the beauty box every month, and it's well worth it. I love it. And what in the heck is this? A hat as a swag item. You always get a swag item. Ooh, look at this. Look at, wow. I'm ready for some sun. And they're very thick too, which I like. This is cool. Really, really like, and it actually goes, if you want it like that, but it's, so you get all these cool items in here. So you get, this is the recap. You get the hat, you get the Youth Accelerator, which I'll show you again. The Youth Accelerator. Okay. My hat's making me washed out a little bit. You get the perfume. And then you get the refill of the Youth Accelerator, lip scrub, sunscreen, and lip plumper. I mean, how great that is. And also you get a code to get money off of 20 off $50. So, you know, for me, I use these codes to get myself, if I want any, you know, a refill product of any kind. You really can't hear too good with this. It's like drowns out the sound. If you want to have a refill product of any kind, this is the best time to get it. So, all right, my friends, this is it. I hope you enjoyed this month's July beauty box. And remember to hit that like button, subscribe, hit the notification so you know my future uploads. And thank you so much for supporting my channel. And remember to always stay safe, wear a mask, and stay healthy, and be yourself, love yourself, and have an awesome, awesome night. And until then, I'll see you next time when I do a video.